Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good evening and welcome to Sab English News. Here are today's top stories from across Somaliland on April 7th, 2026. President Abdirahman Mohamed Abdullahi Cirro has issued 8 presidential decrees introducing wide-ranging changes across several state institutions. The decrees include new leadership appointments within the National Energy Commission, the Central Bank, and the Ports and Free Trade Zone Authority. The President also named a new Deputy Auditor General and appointed a Director General for the Political Parties Registration Committee. In addition, a reserve member has been promoted to full membership in the National Human Rights Commission. A high-level national committee has also been established to organize the upcoming May 18 celebration. This year's celebration is described as a historic, marking the first May 18 anniversary since Somaliland official international recognition. The committee includes senior ministers, the governor of Marudhucheeh region, and the mayor of Hargeisa, and is tasked with coordinating nationwide events reflecting national unity and international standing. Hosting you from SAB headquarters was Abdul Ahmed Umar. Thank you for watching. We'll be back with more updates as they develop.